Hello, good morning. My name is Yom Singh and you are very welcome to our channel Female Learning. This is the 14th video of our mechanical interview shorts, and in this video I will take 3 questions that will be related to the pure substance. Okay, and all these 3 questions will be interrelated, and last question will be that is very simple data type which you must know. It can be asked anywhere. You use that data in most of the problems. You have used the data in the class 12th in every problem of thermometry. Okay, and if you are a new viewer to our channel, please subscribe our channel, and if you are our old viewer, then please share these videos to those who got benefited from it. Then let us start today's video, and today's first question is, what is pure substance? Define it. A system which has fixed chemical composition throughout is called pure substance. That system may be a single substance, mixture of chemical compounds, mixture of chemical elements, or it may consist of many phases. But if it is following a simple criteria, that is it has same chemical composition throughout the system, then it will be pure substance. Okay, you don't have to be confused. Like if in a system liquid plus gas, let us assume a system of water in which there is a liquid and plus vapor. Then if the chemical composition of the system is throughout the same, then it will be pure substance. Doesn't matter there are one phase or two phase. Okay, don't be confused on this point. Only one criteria should be followed, that is the same chemical composition throughout the system. If it is followed, then it will be pure substance. Our next question from this can be asked, like second question is, our next question is, what is saturation temperature and what is saturation pressure? Sir, at a constant pressure, the temperature at which pure substance will change its phase, that is called the saturation temperature. And at a constant or fixed temperature, the pressure at which pure substance will change its phase, that is called saturation pressure. It is a simple definition. You must remember it. And there is an important term, that is the pure substance. Saturation pressure and saturation temperature are defined for the pure substance. That is a single point, that is not range. If any system is not pure substance, then there will be a range of temperature in which it will change its phase. Okay, single temperature can only be defined for the substances or for system which is a pure substance. Okay, you should know this point. Okay, like you have must observed in the material science, like for alloy, it melts through a range of temperature, but for a pure metal it melts at a fixed temperature. Okay, you can correlate from there, from the material science to the saturation temperature and pressure. Okay, this much you should must know. I have explained in very detailed manner. And our next question, that is the data type, and you should must remember this question, and don't क्या कहते हैं बाली खाल मत निकालना इस क्वेश्चन की. ये जनरली क्वेश्चन पूछा था इंटरव्यू, आपको जनरली आंसर दे देना है, इसमें ये सब नहीं करना है. प्रेशर टेम्परेचर, इफ समवन आस्क व्हाट इज द लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपराइजेशन एंड व्हाट इज द लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन, टेल डाटा. आपको बस वैल्यूज बतानी है. you just have to tell values. If they are going at what temperature and what pressure, then you have to say that sir it is at the normal temperature pressure. Okay, then for water, latent heat of fusion is 80 kilocalorie per kg. Okay, and latent heat of vaporization is 540 kilocalorie per kg. Okay, and if you want to say these values in the term of the kilojoule per kg, but it is difficult in that format. If you are remembering it in the calorie form, then it is easy. 80 540. Okay, 80 540. If you want to know in the terms of the kilojoule per kg, then you can multiply these two values by the 4.1, and you will get latent heat of vaporization 2256.5 kilojoule per kg, and latent heat of fusion 333.7 kilojoule per kg. But I remembered these two data in the form of the kilocalorie per kg because that is easy, 80 and 540. Okay, today's video is only this much, and please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, please like it and share it with your friends who got benefited from it. Okay, thank you, all the best.